Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can pay someone using a credit card. Sometimes in life, you may not have cash or a debit card available, and using a credit card to send money can be quick and convenient. This video is useful for anyone looking for an alternative way to pay someone using their credit card, whether it's for personal or business transactions. This video is going to be short, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be straight to the point. So make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn 2 easy ways to pay someone with a credit card. So before we jump into this tutorial, I want to point out that you will need 2 apps in order for this video to make sense. App number 1 is PayPal, and the second app that we'll be using is Cash App. If you want to use PayPal, all you do is load up the app. And now what you are able to do then is go down to the accounts right here. Now, once you hit on the accounts button, you will be able to see all of your, cards and stuff like that. But what you want to focus on at the top is this add banks and cards. Now, once you do that, all you do is click it, and then you can choose debit and credit cards, banks. So for this case, we're going to be doing debits and credit cards. All you do is click there, you enter the info, and then boom, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, to send the money, you would go to send and request. Just type in the recipient's information, such as their email, their phone number, their PayPal ID, however they want to, share their information. And then, you just send the money, and it's super easy. Now, like I said, the second option will be in Cash App, so you're going to want to load that up. And once that is loaded up, you're going to want to go into the top right corner where your profile picture will be. Click on that, and then scroll down until you see linked banks. You're going to click on linked banks, and then you'll hit the link debit card. Now, you can also enter your credit card info. It won't be any different. But once that information is in there, you just go down to the cash, hit the pay button, put in the amount, put in their information, kind of just like PayPal, their phone number, their email, their cash tag, whatever information they provide you, and you send them whatever amount of money that you're wanting to send them. And that's really all there is to it. So now that we have the tutorial out of the way, here's some important tips that you should consider. The first tip I have is some services charge a fee for using a credit card, so check the rates beforehand. Tip number 2 is paying someone directly with a credit card may not be possible unless using a third-party app. And my third and final tip for this video is cash advances from credit cards usually have high fees, so try to avoid them if possible. And that's really all I have for this tutorial. If you did find this video helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video. Also, be sure to share this video with a family member, a friend, or anyone you think that this video will help. And most importantly of all, hit that subscribe button, join the family. We're constantly doing tutorials over on this channel. But with all that being said, I hope you have a great day, and peace out.